Hey Flitz fans, it's Graham here from Team Flitz. I want to talk to you today about the Flitz Headlight Restoration Kit. They've been getting a lot of phone calls at the office. Like, does it work as easy as they say it does? And what makes it different than some of the other ones on the marketplace? Well, I have a really wore out headlight here on a 2007 Volkswagen Jetta. We're going to put the Flitz kit to the test. I even have something that's going to help me out, make it even faster for me. So let's give it a shot. So one of the things when it comes to headlights, you got to look and see how bad the headlight is. In this case, it is really bad. So in the Flitz kit, there's a couple different products. One of them is a 1000 grit sanding paper. And what you're going to want to do is you want to sand that headlight to get that real coating off, to get back down to the real plastic, to buff it back out and bring it back out to new. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little water and the wet sanding paper, and we're going to start sanding it. All right, so I brought a buddy in today. This is my buddy Bentley. This is actually his brother's car. He is 9 years old, and I don't want to do the sanding, so I'm going to put him to work. So, all right, let me show you how this works, Bentley. We're going to take a little water. We're going to spritz it like this, and you're going to take the sandpaper, and you're going to start rubbing it back and forth. Can you do that for me? All right, give it a shot. So this is a pretty quick, easy process. Again, it's just one step, wet sanding it. We're going to dry it off, and then we're going to hit it with our polish, and then use a buffer on it. Looks like you did a good job there, Bentley. Why don't you grab yourself a paper towel, and why don't you wipe this off? Wipe it off really good. As you can see, the headlight looks even worse than it probably started off, but no worries, we're going to correct it. We're going to make it look like brand new in a matter of no time at all. So we got the headlight, it's completely dry. Again, it looks a little bit worse than it did when we already started, but we're going to take a little Flitz polish that's in the kit. Also, we're going to use Flitz buff ball that is in the kit. It's the 3-inch size. I already attached it onto my drill. You can run these up to 2,500 RPM in speed. And the great thing about this buffer is it doesn't trap the heat in. So as long as you're moving it back and forth, you don't have to worry about burning or melting the plastic or damaging the paint in any way. So let me show you how this works. Take a little of the polish. We're going to take the buffer, and we're just going to work that in really slow. Spread it out on the headlight like this, just so it's worked in, and then we're going to give it some juice. All right, now that we got that done, I think you see a little bit more of an improvement. I'm gonna take, it's not part of the kit, but it's something that's brand new that Flitz has came out with. These are super heavy duty rolled microfiber towels. I'm gonna tear one of these off. We're gonna give it a final wipe down. And then the last step of the process is the Flitz ceramic sealant. That will give you up to a year's worth of protection on your headlights. If you keep up with just using the ceramic sealant, it'll last even longer than that. And this is such a quick, easy step. Basically, we're just gonna spray a little bit on here. Like that. Grab yourself your microfiber cloth. Just buff it right in. And buff it right off. Once you got it on there, you'll know you have it on there. It makes it really slippery and slick. It'll help protect those headlights for you. Plus even help against the bug guts and other things that stick on your headlights. All right, Bentley, do your magic. Let's see it. Get that water on there really good. There you go. All right, start sanding. Just like you did in the last one. Well, there you have it. That's a Flitz Headlight Restoration Kit. Total time with my help with Bentley, maybe 20 minutes. But as you can see, they came right back out to new. Thanks, Bentley. Appreciate the help. Have a good one.